Why more and more customers choose the wire mesh shot blasting machine? The reason is not only can make some small and afraid of collision workpiece continue to be cleaned, but also can as a part of a line. The machine greatly improved the working efficiency. This shot blasting machine is mainly to clean the casting manhole cover. Ensure that can highly match with the customer's working line. Our engineering team made a heightening design for the machine. The opening size is 1,300 mm wide and 300 mm height, with 8 units blasting wheels. The machine equipped with a set of high-pressure blowing fan, which can purge the residual steel shot on the surface of the workpiece. Magnetic separation is to effectively separate cast iron filings and steel shot. In addition to the basic function of the machine, we also have incorporated more automated configurations to help customers save manpower, time and labor. Shingdong Machinery not only supply you a set of shot blasting machine but also is your powerful assistant to help you save money.